A probability distribution is really great for calculating the expected value in an organized way. In this example, a vehicle dealership wants to estimate the probability of selling a used car at 3 different prices. They came up with the numbers 22% chance if the vehicle costs $10,000, 33% chance of a sale if they lower the price to $9,000, and a 45% chance of sale if they lower it to $8,000. Now that could be based on past sales of similar valued vehicles. They could collect data on that and then come up with these probabilities empirically. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our probability distribution is actually a valid one. And we just want to make sure that we add up the probabilities and they actually add to 1. So we do 0.22 plus 0.33 plus 0.45, and okay, the sum of the probabilities is 1. So that's good. This is a valid probability distribution. Next, we want to calculate the XP of X value because we're calculating a weighted average of these different things. So let's just multiply straight across here. I get 2200. Multiply these. $2,970 and $3,600. Okay, now we'll just add up those results. And we get 8770. So yes, it was a valid probability distribution. And we also found that the mean of the probability distribution is 8770. So what's the interpretation of this? Is that if they were to sell an infinite number of these cars at these different prices, the average amount of money that they would get would be 8770. That would be the revenue per car. So how much should the dealership spend on purchasing these cars from a customer if they want to just resell it and break even? Well, they would want the costs to themselves to equal the revenue. So, final answer. They should spend $87.70 per car.